adventure, and imagination. Pin that pops a secret path. In a quaint little village nestled between towering oak trees, where the sun kissed the leaves and laughter echoed through the air, lived a young child named Sam. EduTales, and Sam. With boundless curiosity and an active imagination, Sam was always seeking new adventures to explore. One Sunday morning, Sam spied a mysterious old wooden treasure chest in the dusty corner of their grandparents' attic. The treasure chest beckoned, its surface adorned with intricate patterns that seemed to whisper secrets. Sam opened the treasure chest to reveal an ancient worn map, a tarnished compass, and a small golden pin topped with a pulsing gem. Sam picked up the pin, feeling the warmth emanate from it as they held it in their hand. A magical butterfly fluttered around them, landing on the map and pointing at a tiny red X hidden deep within the forest. Sam grabbed their backpack and set off to find the secret path, guided by the glowing pin in one hand, the map in the other, and the magical butterfly flitting playfully at their heels. The dense, enchanted forest loomed before them, trees towering overhead, leaves shimmering like emeralds under the sun's rays. As they ventured deeper into the forest, Sam encountered a wide river, its waters as clear and sparkling as the emerald leaves overhead. But there was no bridge to be found. Sam sat on the banks of the river, thinking, when suddenly they spotted something strange. A rickety old raft half hidden among the trees. With renewed determination, Sam gathered the oars and pushed off, the magical butterfly taking flight alongside them. As they navigated the winding river on their raft, Sam encountered a mischievous squirrel who had built a labyrinth of branches across the river. The squirrel challenged Sam to solve its puzzles before it would let them pass. Sam and the magical butterfly worked together to solve each puzzle, eventually breaking through the squirrel's labyrinth and sailing onward. Sam soon arrived at a hidden village of toy creatures who had lost their magic and were pleading for help. Sam's heart swelled with compassion, vowing to restore their magic and bring joy back to their lives. Sam set off on a perilous journey through the forest, armed with courage and guided by their heart. They climbed steep mountains, crossed treacherous rivers, and navigated dark caves, all in search of the lost magical artifacts that would restore the toy creatures' magic. Finally, they reached the lair of the fearsome dragon that guarded the lost magical artifacts. The dragon roared menacingly, but Sam stood tall and brave, determined to save their new friends. Sam returned the magical artifacts, and with a burst of light, the toy creatures' village was restored. They danced and sang with joy as their new friend Sam watched, filled with pride and happiness. In the final scene, the toy creatures held a grand celebration to honor their brave friend Sam that day. They danced, sang, and told tales of Sam's adventures as they reveled in their restored magic. And as the sun set over the village, Sam waved goodbye, knowing they had made a difference with their bravery, curiosity, and creative problem-solving.